Today we will study vector product of two vectors and their application. Before that, let us know right-handed coordinate system. The system in which the thumb of the right hand points in the direction of positive z-axis when the fingers are curled away from the positive x-axis toward the positive y-axis. यह मेरा राइट हैंड है। मेरा यह अंगूठा, राइट हैंड का अंगूठा जेड एक्सिस, पॉजिटिव जेड एक्सिस के तरफ पॉइंट करेगा जब यदि हम अपने अंगुलियों को, ये अंगुलियां पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस के तरफ पॉइंट कर रही हैं और हम इन्हें मोड़ें, इन्हें कर्ल करें और कर्ल करके किस डायरेक्शन में कर्ल करना है? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में। अब हम इसे एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में कर्ल कर रहे हैं तो ये वाई एक्सिस, पॉजिटिव वाई एक्सिस की तरफ आ गई, तो यह मेरा अंगूठा पॉजिटिव जेड एक्सिस की दिशा को बता रहा है। यहाँ 3 म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस हैं। इसमें एक्स और वाई, ये दो लाइंस प्लेन पेपर पे हैं और जेड एक्सिस, पॉजिटिव जेड एक्सिस एबव द प्लेन है, परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्लेन। तो अगर ये है फिंगर्स, ये फिंगर्स का डायरेक्शन है। अब हम इन फिंगर्स को अपने हैंड की ओर कर्ल किए एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में, तो हमारा अंगूठा जेड एक्सिस के डायरेक्शन को राइट हैंड के फिंगर्स को जो एक्स एक्सिस, पॉजिटिव एक्सिस की तरफ है, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन हम हैंड की तरफ मोड़ते हैं, तो हमारा अंगूठा पॉजिटिव हैंड यानी पॉजिटिव वाई एक्सिस की तरफ मुड़ते हैं, तो हमारा अंगूठा पॉजिटिव जेड एक्सिस के डायरेक्शन को शो करता है। द वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट of two non-zero vectors, vector A and vector B, is denoted by vector A cross vector B. This is the cross, so it is also called cross product and is defined as vector A cross vector B is equal to A B sin theta n cap, where n cap is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing vector A and vector B such that vector A, vector B and n cap form a right-handed system and theta is the angle between vector A and vector B where 0 is less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to pi। जैसे सपोज कीजिए कि वेक्टर ए और वेक्टर बी प्लेन ऑफ द पेपर में है, तो मेरी यह डायरेक्शन है वेक्टर ए का, यह डायरेक्शन है वेक्टर बी का। अब हम वेक्टर ए से वेक्टर बी की ओर अपनी उंगलियों को कर्ल कर रहे हैं, तो मेरा यह अंगूठा का डायरेक्शन यूनिट वेक्टर एन कैप का डायरेक्शन होगा जो इस प्लेन पे परपेंडिकुलर होगा। दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ एन कैप। यदि हम वेक्टर बी क्रॉस वेक्टर ए जानना चाहते हैं तो हमारी उंगलियां वेक्टर बी के डायरेक्शन में जाएगी और क्रॉस वेक्टर ए, तो इससे हमको मिलेगा अंगूठा का डायरेक्शन नीचे की ओर चला गया, तो वेक्टर बी क्रॉस वेक्टर ए के लिए माइनस एन कैप होगा एंड माइनस एन कैप इज द यूनिट वेक्टर परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्लेन बट below the plane, so this is denoted by dotted line. Now some observations. Vector A cross vector B is AB sin theta n cap, which is a scalar, which is a vector with magnitude AB sin theta and direction along the perpendicular unit vector decided by right-handed system, so it is a vector quantity. You know that vector A dot vector B is AB cos theta and AB cos theta is a scalar, so dot product is a scalar and cross product is vector. Second, vector A cross vector B is equal to 0 vector where vector A and vector B are not 0 vector if and only if you know AB sin theta is equal to 0 vector. It means that sin theta is equal to 0. It means that theta is equal to 0. It means that vector A is parallel to vector B, or we can say vector A and vector B are collinear. If theta is equal to pi by 2, then we know sin pi by 2, sin 90 degree is 1. So vector A cross vector B is A, B, n cap. We know that I cap, J cap and K cap are unit vectors along positive x-axis, positive y-axis and positive z-axis. Then if we want to know vector I cross vector I, then I into I, we know that magnitude of I is 1, so 1 into 1 into sin 0 degree. So we know sin 0 degree is 0. This is equal to 0 vector, which is also equal to J cross J, K cross K. Now I cross J. This is decided by right-handed system and there is a cycle relation between I, j and k. We go along anti-clockwise direction, then you can say I cross j is equal to k, and you can also say j cross I. If you go along j cross I, then you go in opposite direction, so minus k. Next, j cross k. J cross k is I, and k cross j is k cross j. You go in opposite direction, so minus I. K cross I. K cross I, here it is j, and if you go in I cross k in opposite direction, then minus j. You can also find this cross using right-handed system. For example, if we take our fingers in positive x-axis, then I cross j is k. Our thumb points in the direction of vector k. For j cross I, this is j, this is I, and above the plane k. J and below the plane minus k. So j cross I, we have to go this along. हमें अपने हाथ को पलटना होगा और j क्रॉस i ऐसे होगा. तो j क्रॉस i, जब हम j को i के तरफ मोड़ेंगे तो मेरा अंगूठा नीचे बिलो द प्लेन शो करेगा, और इसलिए j क्रॉस i माइनस k हो जाएगा. Vector A and vector B are two vectors in the plane of the paper, and this is the angle theta. If this vector A goes to vector B, then the direction of cross is vector n above the plane. So vector A cross vector B is equal to AB sin theta n cap. This is vector A and this is vector B and this is vector A. If we go from vector A to vector B, then the direction of the product is along vector n1 cap. So B cross A is equal to BA sin theta n1 cap. Here n1 cap is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane and below the plane. So we can write it as BA sin theta minus vector n, because vector n is perpendicular to the plane and above the plane. So this can be written as BA can be written as AB, minus is put in front, sin theta, then this can be written as, here minus vector A, AB sin theta n cap can be written as vector A cross vector B. You see that vector B cross vector A is minus vector A cross vector B. It means that cross product does not follow commutativity. This is a triangle whose adjacent sides are given by, this is vector A and this is vector B. Its area can be written as half into magnitude of vector A cross vector B. Why? We know that area of triangle is half into base into corresponding height. If you take base as AB, then corresponding height will be CD. So here AB is B and CD will be, you know, sin theta is equal to CD by AC. From here CD is equal to AC into sin theta, so A sin theta, and you know AB sin theta is the magnitude of vector A cross vector B. This is a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by vector. This is vector B and this is vector A, and this is theta. Its area will be the magnitude of vector A cross vector B. Let us explain why. For that you have to draw perpendicular. This is E. So area of parallelogram ABCD, we know that base into corresponding height. If we take base AB, then corresponding height will be D. So AB is B and D is A sin theta. So this is equal to magnitude of vector A cross vector B. Now distributive property. Of vector product over addition. Vector A cross vector B plus vector C is equal to vector A cross vector B plus vector A cross vector C. Second one, when lambda is a scalar, then lambda into vector A cross vector B is equal to lambda vector A cross vector B is equal to vector A cross lambda vector B. If vector A is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap and vector B is equal to B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap, then vector A cross vector B is equal to the determinant of I cap j cap k cap A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3. We take third order determinant in which first row is I cap j cap k cap, second row is scalar components of vector A, and third row is scalar components of vector B. Let us explain it. In fact, vector A cross vector B is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap cross B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. This is equal to A1 B1 I cap cross I cap is 0. A1 B2 I cap cross j cap is k cap. A1 B3 I cap cross k cap. Let us draw a cyclic order to decide it. This is I cap, this is j cap, and this is k cap. So here A1 B3 I cross k. I cross k is minus j. Here A2 B1 j cross I. J cross I is minus k. plus A2 B2 J cross J is 0. Plus A2 B3 J cross K is I. Plus A3 B1 K cross I is J. Plus A3 B2 K cross J. We have to go in opposite direction, so we have to take minus I. Plus A3 B3 K cross K is 0. So we have A1 B2. This is minus A1 B3 J cap. So we take common I cap and then write. Then we have A2 B3 minus A3 B2 I cap. Then we take minus J cap common. Then A1 B3 minus A3 B1 minus A1 B3 minus A3 B1 J cap. Then we take plus K cap common. Then we have A1 B2 minus A2 B1 which can be put in the determinant form as I J K. Here we can write A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3. You can see I cap. We go along first row I cap, so A2 B3 minus B2 A3 minus J cap. Then second column and first row are hidden. Then A1 B3 minus B1 A3. Then we write plus K cap. Then A1 B2 minus B1 A2.